going to introduce you about light chapter. So what is light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Okay, do you ever imagine how we are able to see the objects and realize what the image we are watching, right? Suppose I am watching this girl Adiba, and I am understanding this is Adiba only. So how come I realize that? The thing is, the light is reflecting from Adiba's to my eyes, and then its image is formed in my retina, and then goes to the optical nerves of my eyeballs, and through that optical nerves I am getting the information that this girl is Adiba because isko maine pehle dekha hai. So the thing which you have seen earlier, you resemble that, right? So I am going to show you by an activity. This is a plane mirror I am having. This is plane mirror, and in plane mirror we have one polished surface and one reflecting surface. So this is the polished surface and this is reflecting surface. If you watch in this mirror, you can see yourself, right? You can see yourself, okay? So in this mirror you can see like that. You are watching this glass now? You are watching this glass?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो ये आप देखिए, यहाँ पे ऐसे रख करके इसको देखिए, तो ये इमेज जो है कैसी बन रही है इस पे, राइट? सो प्लेन मिरर नहीं है, ये स्फेरिकल मिरर है, राइट? इन प्लेन मिरर you see your image, and that image is actually laterally inverted, right? Laterally inverted means क्या हुआ कि when you see yourself, I'm wearing this watch in this hand, and if I am seeing myself in the front of mirror, then what happened? This watch appears to be here. Means your left side appears to be the right side and right side appears to be the left side. Right? This happens, and this is known as lateral inversion. It happens with the plane mirror, right? So I am having these glasses. You can see some some lenses are there. So see, I am having these two type of lenses. This is mirror actually. This is this is mirror. Okay. So here you can see your image. I am watching myself. I am looking very smart. Let me check my hairs. बाल बिखरे हैं, आंखें ठीक हैं. आप भी देख सकते हैं अपना चेहरा इन दिस mirror. So whatever the इमेज जो आप देखो, अपने आप को शीशे में देखो, कहीं पे भी देखो. So what happened when you go far away from the mirror, the image also goes far away, right? I am watching like this. The image is, see, ये आप देखिए, मैं मिरर को जैसे जैसे नजदीक ला रहा हूं, मैं बहुत करीब से अपने आप को देख पा रहा हूं. जैसे दूर ले जा रहा हूं, थोड़ा इमेज भी दूर होती जा रही है, मतलब इमेज भी दूर होती जा रही है. आप आज घर पे जाकर के करिएगा, ड्रेसिंग टेबल के सामने सब लोग सजते हो ना पार्टी में जाने के लिए. आज सजिएगा बढ़िया से, है ना, मेकअप वेकअप लगा के, और तो उसके बाद आप उसमें क्या करना है, आपको कैट वॉक करना है. लाइक कैट वॉक नहीं करना है, you have to go forward and come closer like this. So when you come closer, your image also come closer, and when you go farther, your image also go farther. So this is the property of plane mirror, my dear, right? And in plane mirror, see, lateral inversion shows. Okay, lateral inversion is there. Your left appears to be right and right appears to be left. Okay, now this is having this is convex lens, right? This is convex lens. The property of convex lens is that it is thicker at the middle and thinner at the corners. You can just touch it and notice. Just see and notice it. It is thicker at the middle, right? See, it is thicker at the middle, and at the edges it is thinner at the edges but thicker at the middle. If you can see from this mirror or this spherical mirror, then you have to place this at, like I am wearing this specs. So like specs are also having glasses, so they are also having whether convex or concave lens. It depends upon the abnormalities of eyes, what sort of abnormality we are having. So as I am placing this to nearby my eyes, I am able to watch everything, right? उल्टा करके देखते हैं तब भी। तो ये कौन सा मिरर होता है? दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, दिस इज डाइवर्जिंग मिरर, दिस इज डाइवर्जिंग मिरर। ये क्या करता है? बड़ी चीज को छोटे पे दिखाता है। अभी देखो ये पूरी क्लास, यहाँ से आप देखिए तो पूरी क्लास आपको दिखेगी। कोई बच्चा ट्राई करो, इसको देखो, आप इसको पूरी क्लास को देखो, पूरा डाइवर्ज होके, मतलब पूरी क्लास छोटी होकर के आपको ऊपर से गोले पे दिखती है, राइट? इज इट लाइक दैट? यू चेक it, because these are things which you observe, right? When you do by your own self, then you will never forget. That is my aim, learning by doing. Just see. Okay, so okay, some boys also are doing. Now I am having this lens, and this lens is known as diverging mirror. This is actually concave mirror. So concave mirror is what? It is thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. See, I am holding it. Now you can realize it. Just each and everyone realize it, whether it is true or not. So till then, all of you can see it. I'll just pass it on to all the students, and you just get it, notice what sort of things I'm going to tell you. So this is just a presentation I'm going to give you, right? See here. Are you watching it? Are you watching it? This side, see. Okay, so this is what you are able to see now. Yes, so this forms the image which is virtual, right? Okay, so this is the glasses, and more information and more experiments we'll do in the physics lab tomorrow, right? Yes. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.